My name is Dante Luzon, and I am one of the very few Luzons based in the Visayas, Cebu in particular. I consider myself a semi-retired broadcast practitioner, broadcaster. I've been in this broadcast industry, for 47 years, starting when I was 16 years old until I became a senior citizen. So about 6 stations, AM stations, 4 FM stations, 3 TV stations, and 1 advertising agency. That long. And now I'm semi-retired. I still do some voiceover work. I do freelance. I sing on a per need basis.
I'd sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning voice that comes in the night and repeats in my ear.
I act on stage and film, particularly local short films, every now and then when the opportunity arises.
Na di kahatagan ng trial sa Ginoo more than
humuhulog sa pagkasakit kaninyo, samtang dili ka mo hanaw sa akong mga mata.
Maluan ka! Kaya galing si Allah si
But most of all, I'm a visual artist. I'm a painter. Nagsugod na nga akong passion for visual arts. Nag-edad ko 3 or 4 years old, I guess. My father bought me a box of colored chalks and small blackboard. So dito nag-start na akong passion, na akong love for drawing, for visual arts. I started making doodles, caricatures, cartoon characters, until nahimo kong class artist from grade 1 until grade 6. So I had very simple ambition in life when I was small. I really wanted to become a painter. I wanted to pursue fine arts. Pero niingon na ako, Father, di ko nakabuhi o pamilya. Kung dili ka mahalin na painting sa may mo ipakaon sa imong pamilya, ni mong brush. So na-shift ang akong focus, ang akong attention dito na ako sa public speaking. I joined dramatic school plays. I was singing. Pero wa na ako ma-neglect ang akong love for visual arts. In my spare time, I continued to draw. But I never took visual arts seriously as a career, so to speak. And then, dili na sa Cebu, when I was assigned here sa ABS-CBN Paro, that I took visual arts seriously. I became a self-taught artist because I never had formal training to begin with. And then a friend of mine, si Boy Kiamco, an established painter artist, encouraged me to continue to hone my craft. So that inspired me to really pursue my passion, my love for fine arts. So I tried watercolor, I tried oil, I tried acrylic, and before I knew it, I had 40 frames ready for exhibit. So I had my first one-man exhibit in 1994 at the defunct Sundowner Center Point Hotel. So it's still a passion, that the fire is still there. So, especially now that I have more time, because I'm not as active as I was in the broadcast industry. So I still continue to paint. In the stock room, there are a lot of paintings there unframed, waiting for the next exhibit when the opportunity comes after the pandemic, probably, I hope. And then in 2013, I discovered a new medium because my brother told me, bro, have you tried coffee painting? I'm not familiar with that. You should try it. I'm sure you would love it. So I did my research. I again watched videos on YouTube. Okay. So I experimented and nakahimo kong daghan na kayong coffee paintings. Siguro more than 20. And then ang uban nga curious, coffee. How do you do that? Simple lang. A stick of coffee powder, and then you mixed it with probably a half teaspoon of water. Then you stir it until mo sticky siya. And then you need another water to dilute the coffee paint as you paint and try to apply it on illustration board. Ayon ang papel kay nipis kayo. Illustration board medyo thick. So as you apply from dark to light hues or tones, you dilute the coffee paint with water. It's kind of amazing. In fact, some result. I don't have any particular inspiration when I paint. I just feel the mood. Whenever I feel the mood, I paint. Sometimes the TV is on, the music is on, the dogs are noisy. I still paint. Because when I paint, in Grosco, I live in my own world. And then I don't mind what's happening around me. That's it. Now, kay pandemic man, I know a lot of artists are really affected. Dili lang artists, entertainers as well are affected by the situation. It's hard. Listen, especially kung ang atong bread and butter mo rin ang atong gisaligan ng atong painting. My father was partly right when he said it's not lucrative, it's not stable. My father was right when he said di nakabuhi yung pamilya kung kanaray mo sa liga. Pero try social media, especially those watching now ng mga artists sama na ako. Maximize social media. Expose your works. Post them on YouTube, post them on Facebook, Twitter, etc., etc. Hoping na makita sa mga interested. In the meantime, that would probably gain curiosity or interest from people, from collectors, from interested buyers and patrons. For me, painting is therapeutic, stress reliever. Pero, I believe talent is a gift given by God. Either you have it or you don't. But if you have it, hold it. Develop it. Because dili tanang tao gitagaan sa Ginoo ginana ng talent. I'm Dante Luzon, and this is my little corner here. Thank you.